Let's talk about the caregiver announcement that has been made by Mark Miller yesterday. So they are making this program more accessible. They are easing up the rules, definitely, and you'll be coming as a permanent resident directly to Canada. You don't have to go through the work permit process. What you'll be doing is you'll be proving your experience, whatever you have from back home in terms of your education, in terms of the relevancy of your experience towards the program that you're going to be applying to. And with that, you will be coming to Canada as a direct permanent resident. They have also eased up the CLB requirements and the education requirements for the program. So now the CLB requirement is CLB 4 only, with only minimum high school education required. Lastly, you will need a job offer from a Canadian employer. Definitely will know more when they issue the program guidelines for the pilot programs. But as of now, yes, it does look promising. Definitely there will be quotas involved to this program as well. So there would only be certain number of applications that they would accept yearly. And we're not even sure yet how many years this program will gonna be for. So hopefully we'll know more in the coming month, in the coming weeks, when they issue a proper guideline to these programs on how we can apply and when these applications are going to be accepted. All the candidates who have the eligible experience as a home support worker or home childcare provider, do keep your documentation up to date. As soon as the rules are announced, it is highly possible that you might be eligible to submit the application. So as long as you have all the documentation, including your work experience letters, including your, let's say you're a high school graduate from back home and you have to get an ECA done for that high school graduation. So make sure you have those ECAs done. You have an IELTS exam with a minimum CLB level 4. As long as you have all the required documents collected, you will be eligible to apply for this program. Again, always remember there will be a quota system. So it is a time restricted application, so you have to make the application as soon as the program opens. We'll know more on how this program is going to be implemented, so stay tuned for more information.